Having served in combat, I've personally experienced the impact force multipliers have on the battlefield. The edge it can give you over your opposition is astounding. We use all three categories of force multipliers: human, environmental, and organizational. Force multipliers are simply defined as tools that help amplify your effort in producing more output. Like in war, these can be deployed into business and investment environments. These strategic advantages make it dramatically harder for our competition to fight. I believe in the results I've achieved in combat, business, and investing using these strategies. The following sections include summaries of force multipliers specifically in use for this fund. Craigslist, Zillow, and Facebook groups are common destinations for families searching for rental homes. Yet, there's still one lead source that far outperforms all the rest, and it's one you might not have heard of before. AHRN.com stands for the Automated Housing Referral Network. It's hands down the most popular place for military to find housing. We discovered they had families asking them for referrals to someone who could help secure a place to live. We found 90% of these users were in the process of transferring to one of the bases we serve, and 70% of the users were specifically looking for a rental home. So in 2019, we struck a deal with HRN to be their exclusive referral for all the bases we serve. We got over 1,250 leads in 2019 and over 1,400 in 2020. These aren't just hot leads though. They're the exact demographic we're after. Once we connect these leads with this program, fireworks. We are in the business of constructing housing solutions for our brothers and sisters, not just clients. Every single person at Red Dot wore the uniform and honorably served this country. It's a connection that less than 1% of the US population can claim, and we've got it. We have a deeper, richer connection with those that we serve. Military bases offer us pre-built-in scalability. The potential for growth and development of new markets is very clearly defined. Red Dot's blueprint can be executed in any military market we wish to enter. Our blueprint includes vertically integrated businesses, scalable strategic partners, and this specialized program. The demand for this unique program will always be a must. Due to military rotations, the fund becomes more powerful as we enter new markets. When we're entrenched in all major markets, we could be handling service member family housing regardless of what market they relocate to. We've conducted forensic level research into our competitors. We know what keywords they're tracking online, what their ad spends are, and the infrastructure they run their systems and marketing on. We ultimately conclude that no one is utilizing guerrilla marketing tactics like we are. We use a mix of artificial intelligence, podcasts, video content, and technical experts to direct online traffic exactly where we want it to go. We own hundreds of unique websites, dozens of Facebook housing groups, and we have flyers in the base housing offices too. Our target audience may see one of our wrapped moving trucks on the freeway, a targeted Facebook ad, or a house listing on Craigslist. No matter what they see, it's all designed to engage and drive our demographic right into our application for approval.